about to go off on this trip. You've got yourself a slightly used RX3, and we're going to ride through China. So what's your thoughts before you leave on the trip?
I'm pretty excited, Joe. I'm happy to be riding a Zongshen motorcycle. I'm delighted that you're going to be on the ride with us.
Well, you need someone to carry your bag. Getting ready to ride out. Apparently it's a pretty big deal. Mr. Zuo's the big man, the head cheese, queso grande, and I follow him everywhere. But what we're doing now is we're napping. He brought this hammock here. See this nice hammock? And generally around noon after lunch, we just lay down and take a nap.
What the hell is shooting at? Get out of my way.
When he wakes up, he's sometimes bad Sean, sometimes good Sean. We don't know what he's gonna be.
Do you like it? Yeah. It's sweet, not good for old men.
Thank you.
Why are you being bad Sean?
Here, here's the video. Is it on? Yeah. So this is Joe Bird reporting to you live for CFC Motorcycles and Joe Gresh from Motorcyclist Magazine. We're somewhere north of Guangzhou, China, I think. And we're in a dune buggy headed to the observation platform of the Yellow River Canyon. Wow!
We're at the headwaters of the Yellow River in some kind of flat, marshy area surrounded by mountains. We were completely gassed. We had to walk up about 25 flights.
I'm more worried about going back down them steps than going up.
It pays to be fit in China. We're in the Gobi Desert. We've been riding RX3s for how many thousands of kilometers?
Oh God, I don't know. It's about 2,000 miles now, so that's roughly 3,000 kilometers so far.
The bikes are running great. The rest of the bikes on the trip are RX1s?
RX1s, yes.
And what's the story on that?
That's a smaller version of the RX3.
That's the road we're going down, and I'm just really doing this for my buddy Vance Hunter, because I know he'd appreciate the fact that I'm out here, and he's not. I'm at Crescent Moon in Don Juan, which isn't the right way to say that. And it's kind of like a camel theme park, sand, desert. You can ride dune buggies, you can ride camels, you can slide down the dunes in sleds. To some of you, this may just be a roll of toilet paper, but to us China riders, this represents freedom. Is that baby powder?
I think it's baby powder, yeah. It's either baby powder or cocaine.
You know, in the dirt bike world, we call that anti-monkey butt.
We're kind of in the dirt bike world here.
Seems that way. We seem to be doing a lot of dirt.
I actually want to capture this on film.
I'm capturing it on film. So what we're doing is we're in very hot, damp weather, and our asses are chafing. We're on a donkey cart headed for the gorge. Okay. This donkey moves out. We just met Kong from the last trip. You remember him? And he's coming along for a few days on our ride to Beijing. So that's a really good thing. It's good to see you again. I starred you in my video that I did. You were a big star in it. Everybody and all the girls want to know who's Kong.
American girl.
We're with King Kong. He's been riding this RX1 around. This is really what the trip's all about, to test and ride these RX1s. You've had this a while. What do you think about it?
I think it's totally a good bike, but you know, this is 200, not some slow, and then the power is not enough.
Not enough. I'm having a hard time keeping up with these guys, and I got a 250. So how long have you had it?
3 or 4 days.
4 days.
4 days. I got a 250 RX3, not RX1.
That's the one you rode all around China. It's only 200 cc. What do you want?
I want
more power.
More power.
You want a 500.
500, yeah.
We're with Saul. He's riding a Kimco scooter across China. Say hello.
谢谢，我是邵华，杭州的。OK， 很高兴认识您。OK，
Good, thank you.
So here we are in Liqian in western China. Roman legion came out here. The two dominant civilizations of the era were the Han Dynasty and the Roman Empire. The Roman Empire was intent on taking over the world, and they sent their legions evidently this far, and they were defeated.
I'm in a Roman Legionnaire's costume because we're on this Zongshen ride, and they're shooting video, and they're making, I guess, a story. And the area we're in had Romans, so they're kind of tying Roman Legionnaire garb. Notice the suit, the skirt. I guess it really doesn't get any lower than this. I think my career is done, but for the moment, hail Caesar. What do you think of the Great Wall of China? What do you think of it? It's pretty cool.
Oh, go.
收来看看，来10块钱3个，有帽子有扇子。
你那个白钢皮装烂了吗？
有帽子有扇子。
哦哟，这好。
10块，这个做10块少，差不多。
你好。
没有。
10块钱。
哎，他们说的10块3个，10块3个超过。他们比这10块3个大幅度超过收的。
我不想了
，10块3个。
Okay, behind me, right here, is the original Great Wall of China. We just had to hike up a hell of a trail to get here, and it's absolutely amazing. You won't see it in this video, but it comes over these mountain ranges like this, all the way around, and there's these watchtowers every so often, and we just spent an hour walking up here. They carried all these stones up here. The amount of work that went in this is just, it's freaking heartbreaking, man, because I know how much it would be just to do one of these. It's just amazing. We're in Wenchuan, China.
That's Wenchuan.
Wenchuan. They had a
Wenchuan.
Wishwan.
That's Schwan.
Wishwan.
Schwan. Wishwan.
We've been hitting it pretty good on a nice smooth road, burning right along about 120 kilometers an hour. This guy has everything. He even has a 12-volt grinder to patch tires with. Man, he's good. I'm with my friend Juan. Ni hao.
你好，
How are American riders? Okay. American moto. It's okay.
听不懂，听不懂。不会英语，不会，不会，
Yeah.
不会，
Yeah.
听不懂，听不懂。
This is Mr.
听不懂。
Mr. Zuo. Zuo. Mr. Zuo.
Yes.
Yeah. Mr. Zuo. How do you like the American riders? Okay.
说啥？说啥
American riders okay?
？OK。
Okay.
OK。
We're okay.
OK。
What about Daggio?
OK。Very good. Very good.
Who is better? Me or Daggio? Who is better?
RGO.
二舅good。二舅 good。
I found my first graffiti here in China. Although it could all be graffiti, I wouldn't know the difference. It's in English. And apparently it's that other football game. And then down here a little further, it says China Heart U, which has something to do with heart health in China. Nothing cures a man-sized hunger like a donkey burger. They tell me it's better than meat, it's better than chicken. You know, there's a joke in here where I say this is the best piece of I've ever had. But it's actually not bad. Okay, we're here in Tiananmen Square. That's Mr. Mao right there. The chairman, as we call him. Here's a little closer shot. He's like Frank Sinatra, but of China. Okay, now we're in the Forbidden City. Not a lot in here, because it's not forbidden anymore. Well, he got in, so it can't be very selective. But we don't like our kings and our emperors in America. We like it where anybody can get in, and I think that's something communists and good old Americans can agree on. Mr. Zuo made this jacket.